Hello, I'm Daniel Ibarra. I'm from Houston, Texas, and I'm one of the members of the HTC family. I'm from Houston, Texas. I first encountered Dan on YouTube like most others. I was amazed by the energy he had, but mostly that he was right. I just knew it. I've been a chiropractor for 35 years in the state of Texas, and the more I think about it, I haven't had a great career. And at times I actually feel like I just spent 1 year 35 times. I got burned out. My income level was never high because I was always an employee. And I got to the place where I really didn't like what I was doing. And I was actually searching for a way out. When I came across the HTC family and I was given the opportunity to view a webinar, I just joined because I didn't have nothing else to do and mostly wanted to see what was in the webinar. At the end of the webinar, I was given the opportunity to join HTC, and I had a conflicting state of mind at that time. A lot of it was, I'm too old. I'm actually 60 years old. What am I going to do if I can't be a high-ticket closer? And money. Like I said, I wasn't ever making that much money to begin with. I really struggled coming up with the money, but I knew it was the best thing for me. Once I joined, I was very happy to know I was in the course. I studied the course. I mostly enjoyed the mindset reset that Dan has. One of the amazing things I found during the course, that Dan always kept repeating two things: that he doesn't make losers into winners. He only makes winners win more, and that he has more belief in us than we believe in ourselves. Struck me right there. I was happy to be among a group of individuals around the world that thought they came from nothing, hit a brick wall, and Dan Locke and Desmond and Kayvon energized them through the mindset, through the positive support. It got me through the 7 weeks that we did. The best thing I got out of it was simply it cleared my mind. I got to the point where I didn't want to do what I was doing. Now I can see it through a different set of eyes. I see opportunity where I saw a blank wall and retirement on Medicare. I now see how I can make my own way in my own profession, which sounds crazy, but it's true. I've regained my self-confidence. I see a future for me, even at my age. I thank you all. I thank Sifu. I thank Desmond. I thank Craven and all my family in HTC. Thank you.